In primetime news this evening, lockdown, government considering new restrictions as COVID-19 cases increase. Jamaica records 50 new cases in 24 hours. And action threatened. St. James Health Department gives warning to those breaching quarantine orders.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, primetime sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
A question this evening. What are your thoughts on indications that tougher COVID-19 restrictions could be imposed?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.